Welcome to the tour of Forest House, designed by Gonzalo Bardach Arquitectura. This video will explore the aspects that define this contemporary architectural wonder. The project is located on the coast of Buenos Aires, Argentina, inserted in the middle of a coniferous forest, on a dune used to build an emotional and experiential architecture, through the connection between the outside and the interior. The facade of Forest House features fluid and organic volumes that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. 3 semi-buried pavilions, connected by a roof garden, integrate with the topography, creating a sense of continuity with the landscape. The house uses pure materials like liquid stone, wood, iron, and glass. Liquid stone, notable for its adaptability to the topography, fosters a seamless relationship between architecture and the natural environment. The design organizes spaces on a single level. The pavilions house service and resting areas, while the central space includes the kitchen, dining, and living room, all integrated with an open gallery facing the natural landscape. The landscaping design is based on botanical research of native species. It promotes an organic approach, allowing the garden to evolve and change naturally, fostering biodiversity and creating a vibrant, ever-changing environment. Natural colors of the materials prevail, highlighting earthy tones that complement the forest setting. Natural light and shadows create dynamic patterns, enriching the spatial perception. Natural light is crucial, filtering through the leaves and creating shadow patterns that enliven interior surfaces. This interplay of light and shadows continuously transforms the atmosphere, deepening the connection with nature. Decoration is minimal and carefully selected to highlight the warmth and simplicity of the natural materials. Discrete decorative elements allow the architecture and natural surroundings to take center stage. Forest House is a retreat that redefines the connection between humans and nature. With its harmonious design and materials integrated into the environment, it offers a space for contemplation and introspection, celebrating the beauty of the natural landscape and emotive architecture.